Uh, Very good morning to all of you. On behalf of the SKITM family, I welcome to our speakers, Mr. Pintu Gupta sir, who is a senior software engineer in Wipro Technology Bangalore. We are grateful to him for accepting our invitations and becoming part of today's events. So I will directly say to Pintu Gupta sir to hand over start the seminar now. Sir, please start the seminar, please.
Yeah, so okay, what I'm saying, I hope everybody can see me, right? I'm visible to everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sumit, okay, thanks for your kind word. So let me start now with the today forum. So this forum is just open for now. We'll open for the discussion. Okay. So you can go on mute, and whoever want to because it's a half an hour of session we have today, and I would request, and I would it's my humble request to everybody, whoever a part of a participant in the meeting. So if they don't want to speak, so they can go for the mute, so that we can handle this smooth manner. Okay. Okay, so guys, let me as Sumit mentioned, I'm working in a Wipro, and I work for SCL, and I work for CGI, and I'm having around 6 years of total experience in IT, working on the technological technical. I can say on the technology stack, I worked so far on uh, Java and J2 and Spring Boot and Hibernate framework. So today I will welcome everybody. Okay, and I really I want to pass my gratitude to the our dearest HOD and the entire family of the SKIT, who has invited me, and I got a great opportunity to share my knowledge and to discuss about the today agenda, whatever we have, we're going to discuss. So I would like to thanks to Ms. Rashmi Yadav, and the webinar coordinator, our Rajesh Chaturvedi, and the Sumit Chen, who is the faculty coordinator from the SKIT. So let's start with the today agenda, what we are going to discuss. So okay, guys, just I will just I would request everyone to bear with me throughout end of the session, because I'm facing here it's raining, so I'm facing some network issues currently. So okay, I just need your support throughout the end of the session. Okay, so today, today we'll discuss about our, how what are the prerequisite steps which we need to be taken whenever you're going for any of the interview, like whenever the company, like MNC company, comes into campus for the recruitment. So all of you, like whoever in the third year and final year students, we take MBA, BCA, so they need to go through the interview process, okay, to start their career. So I'll just start with my experience about there are four key very which play a very vital role in terms of whenever you are preparing for your campus placement for any of the companies. So we need to focus on our there are the process. Okay, so first they will consider you as a basis on your marks. So if you take the example, like all the MNC Indian MNC company like Wipro, HCL, TCS, Infosys. So what whenever they are visiting your campus, your college campus or the campus recruitment, so they will measure you. They have some they have some criteria in terms of your eligibility criteria. If you're going to fit for that, then you can able to appear for the interview. So what they will do, most of the IT companies nowadays, we could see they are expecting from everybody. They have minimum 6.0 throughout academic, your 10th, your 12th, and your engineering. So you should be having your minimum 60% of. If so, suppose in your batch there are total strength, with the students, there are lots of students, like 100 students or 200 students. So out of that, 100 students won't consider and won't able to fit for the eligibility criteria, whatever the setting by Infosys and IBM or whoever. Okay, so no need to worry for that. No, those students also need to be they won't be disappointed. They have also opened the door. They uh, they should be very strong with your technical skill, your communication, and with your FT sense of writing or quantity and all the mathematical and puzzles and reasoning. So those areas you should be very strong so that you can able to get a job outside. In case if you won't able to get placed in your campus. So we need to first they will conduct first round of interview either as a aptitude test. So how we can prepare for the aptitude test? So for multiple companies they have different questions pattern. If you talk about TCS is having they will give you the 30 number only 30 questions. It contains all the once you clear the you need to go for the group discussion. So how we can prepare for the aptitude for first round? There are multiple books. Okay, we can refer any of the books. Like aspirant who are appearing for the MAT examination category. So we refer to books to improve your and to your practices on the aptitude, so that you can easily we can just try to solve multiple practices, example for example, so that you can get confident, and you just need to make your hands dirty, okay, with your practices. So that is the first step which you want to come. Let's talk about if you clear the aptitude, then we can go for the group discussion. So that is the second round of your hiring process. So for GD, I would suggest everybody. See, we all are engineers. Okay, so I know everybody know how to speak, how to communicate, but they have somewhere hesitation. We all have hesitation, right? Whatever you're going to speak, whether I'm writing, whatever I'm speaking, whether it is correct or wrong. Don't bother about all the things. We can just start reading the newspaper, and to clear the group discussion round. It's my personal experience. I want to share with you guys. You can just you have your friends, right? So everybody are in a campus in I say minimum 6 to 7 hours, 8 hours. So we just need to wherever you are roaming. Suppose let's go you go for your breakfast, you go for your lunch with your friends, with your colleagues. Okay, so colleagues in terms, if once you come out to your college and you get the job and you started career with working with any of the corporate sector like any MNC, so you need to get communicate with your leads, you need to get communicate with the clients, you need to get communicate your reporting manager, and the most important thing, we need to daily communicating with your colleagues, whoever working with you on the same project or the same customer. So DD means we need to discuss. Okay. I was okay, guys. So I was talking about the second round after round second round there is a for group discussion. So how we can prepare for the group discussion? So whenever you are going for your lunch and your breakfast, you can just try to communicate with your friends. You can just let's take any topic and we can start debating on that. Okay, so that we can get confident, and your vocabulary will be very strong. Okay, so they will give you, if you appear for any group discussion round, they will give you one any of the topic, and they will pick up 3-4 members, and they will keep one group, separate group. So and the different groups, they will give you individual topics, so we need to speak. So they will check your they will check your confidence, they will check your attitude. So whenever you are going for any of the interview, it's my humble request, we need to be very we need, because we all are in the very profession, we all are in the profession where the attitude does matter a lot. Okay, so we always keep positive attitude. Okay, we whenever you are meeting somebody, whenever you are going for interview, you need to greet in such manner so that person will happy. Okay, so we need to very soft. We should be very soft spoken. If you are not a soft spoken, then there will be a problem. So that will they will mark you impact as a very bad negative, negative impact on you. So please don't do that. I know nobody can do that, but I'm just saying it for our, to avoid those negligence things. And that will be forever. Whenever you will be in IT field, wherever you go, apart from IT also. So attitude does matter a lot for in our day-to-day life as well. So you just start talking, you just start debating with your friends, okay, so that we can get confident and we can start reading newspaper, like we have Economic Times 18. We can start. So the most important thing here, we can time management. We need to manage the things, like, so if you don't have the time management, then we cannot segregate the things. So let's say we can just give 1 hour, 2 hour for your daily practices on aptitude samples, aptitude tests. You can get it through net, and there are books, as I mentioned. Having said that, and then we can start talking with your friends. You can speak in English. Don't talk in Hindi. Okay, until in the premises, campus premises. If you go out, if you go at your home, uh, uh, so I'm not saying if you go at home, so we can talk with your parents in English. That doesn't matter. That doesn't require also. What I'm saying is, for our professional, for our job purpose, at least we can, within the campus premises, okay, we can talk with your friends in English, so that we can get boost up, we can get confident, and your vocabulary will be very strong, so that you will be in a position to crack the group discussion. Okay. And that so the second, if you clear the group discussion, then there will be the third round. That is a very important, like, your technical expertise. So I know some of you have interest in, testing, some of you have interest in coding, some of you have interest in management side. So based on your interest, okay, based on your, because see, we all are humans, so human error can be accepted. Okay, so we know our weakness, we know our strongest area, like, very well. Nobody knows. So we just try to analyze yourself, like, where you want to establish your career in coding, in testing, in management. So for all the BTech CS engineering students, I have seen most of the students go with the development side, like they have very good knowledge in the coding, like they're very good in the mathematics and puzzles, and they have very good test of sense in mathematics and logical quantitative activity. So they prefer to go with the development in coding. So if you choose the development in coding, then there will be a lot of options for you, like, then, like, which programming knowledge we need to gather, which technology you want to learn. So there are the back-end technology and there are the front-end technology. So company comes and recruit you. So they will see, if they're hiring you, so they need something from you, right? So that they can pay you, and then you will be also happy, and then the client will be also. So they will ask some basic technical questions. As a fresher level, they will not ask you like depth and very big questions. So what they will ask you, if you see, programming is the common language, common programmers for programming language, which is very mandated to learn every all the engineers. Non-engineers also, they need to learn, like MBA guys and BCom guys. So they also need to learn. Okay. There are the back-end technology like Java, Python, PHP, .NET, and front-end technology. If I talk about, there's the Angular, Node.js, HTML, CSS. So these are the front-end technology which help application develop from the UI side. Okay, back-end is like if you want to write, business logic, if you want to write some, if you want to expose a new functionality in your application, so you need to learn you can go with the backend technology. So these are the technology stack. Okay, so Having said that, I will before bind of this session, I will open the QA session for 10 minutes, you guys. So in that session, whoever having any question, whether it is silly question, whether it is very small question, big question, okay, what please bring it out, okay, so that I can take it up and I can answer in the session. Don't carry with the question with your mind and we can walk away from the session. That will not going to fruitful for anyone. So I'll request to everybody, whatever the question you have, just jot it down parallelly, okay, and in the session for 10-minute last session we can just bring the question, okay. I will answer. Okay, so in every company there is the lead management cycle, okay. If you not feeling well, so that that leaves comes under in the sick leave category. So we can send out a mail, a name, your note to your manager. Today I'm not keeping well, so I won't able to be login. That is the first scenario. To answer your question for the second scenario, as a fresher, if really what I would suggest you, see, if any of the companies, IT companies, visiting you your college for the campus recruitment, and on the day of recruitment you're not feeling well, you're not keeping well, with politely we can send a mail to your HOD saying that, stating that, dear respected HOD, I'm not feeling well. So can you please, and see here, I will see. We don't need to worry for that. If you are going to miss one opportunity, there are bundles of opportunity are waiting for you. So what I'm saying is, we can just send out a mail to your HOD and project coordinator and faculty coordinator saying that, and requesting them, let's sir, I'm not able to attend the interview due to my health issue, but to, like, the next placement session, the next recruitment session, I will be there to attend. So there will be the two scenarios. So one scenario I discussed, okay, for you as a fresher level, if you won't able to get job. Second scenario will be applicable for you once you get the job and working in IT companies. So do you have any other question on this, Ayushi? You like, does my answers, does your question fit? Yeah, you need any other doubt? Hi Rishav, I seen your question. Yeah, that is a very, it's very good question you ask, because generally this is a common problem with everybody. Okay, so I tell you what we have to do in the such scenario, in such situation. See, uh, we all are humans, okay, so you don't need to worry. Everybody is in a learning phase, okay, so nobody can say I know everything, and I know everything, and I'm very much knowledgeable. So it's never ending story, it's always a learning process. So if interviewer ask a particular question and you are not, you don't know about the answer, the question, and you are not confident, so you just politely we can say, okay, thanks for asking the question, sir. At the moment, I'm not aware of the answer, but after this interview, I'll go and I will research, and I will get the knowledge, and I'll get the answer for this question, so that I can prepare for the next company's interview. That's it. Okay, I see. I got your question. Okay, the first, the in the first, whatever message you put in the chat box, it was not clear for me. Now it's clear to me. So, okay, let me answer your questions. See, uh, if you are facing with the health issue and you won't able to complete your internship, okay, so there's no worry. You no need to worry for that. Every companies, okay, every companies consider your health wellness for any of the students, any of the resource. So we need to just provide them. Okay, you just need to say them, I was not feeling well, and there was the medical emergency and health issue with me, so I could not complete the internship. So they will not ask anything else, okay. You have everything, right? If you have the medical report and to show them for as evidence, then you no need to worry for that, okay. Like your weakness, yeah, you're making excuses. That's what I mentioned. See, if you have your medical report, right, see, if you're facing any not keeping well and you're facing any emergency medical health issue with yourself, so obviously you have to we went through your consultant with the doctor and we have the medical checkup and report to showcase, right, as evidence. So you don't need to worry for that. Okay, we can just show them. It won't sound bad. Don't worry for that. Okay, because in every company, every corporate company, they are considering these things. Okay, if person are not keeping well, then they cannot able to work. Yeah, they cannot able to do their job. Unless until they won't get session. Okay, so you don't need to until they won't recover. So you don't need to worry for that. There will be no any bad impact on it. Okay.
That
Okay.
is in the chat box that if the interview asks to impress in 10 minutes, what should we do?
Okay. Good question. Good question. Yeah. What his name? What his name?
Vikram.
Vikram. Yeah. Okay.
Vikram.
Vikram,
Okay.
Vikram.
Yeah, Vikram. Okay. So yeah, good question, Vikram. Okay. So okay. To answer your question, see, we cannot if your interviewer ask you to how we can impress me 10 minutes. So there is only one way to impress your interviewer. We You just bring it out your technical expertise, okay, and your good attitude in front of him. Once he realized you are good enough to work independently and stress environment, and we can able to handle any scenario, and we can able to work with the project, we can able to handle the customer, and we can make with your work and with your quality the customer will become happy, then there will be taken up within 10 minutes. Okay, you no need to say I know this thing, I know these things. No, don't do that to impress your interviewer. Just say that, okay, what I believe, what about the project I have done. I have done the project with myself, and I did not take any help from any of the companies, any other internship paid company. And I practice. I know this technology. I'm very. I believe I'm good in this technologies stack area, and I can able to handle any situation in the company. Once I get the offer, once I declare for any of the particular project, when I started working, so I can make customer happy, and I can make the company. I can participate. I can contribute as much with the company growth. Okay, we can just say that. Is that answer your question? You need to understand one thing. Companies not looking for companies looking a resource, a candidate who has very good positive attitude, who 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 is eligible to follow all the rules and regulation which is being set by any of the companies, like corporate companies. If we're not going to follow their rules and regulation, then how good and how bad you are from your technical side and other side. There is no any there is no any I can say advantage of that. So you need to very careful with your attitude, and we need to very uh, uh, strong with your technical stack, or like technology, water technology, and programming languages. You should be very you should be very sound into that. Otherwise, in this current competitive scenario, it's very difficult to get job, okay, outside. So I would request all of you guys, please, whoever has the eligibility criteria, the 60 point at least 60% marks throughout the academics, please guys, this is the time we need to utilize. Okay, so we need to practice on aptitudes. We need to debate and discuss for your GD, and we can go through the coding practices on daily. We can write 10 programs and 5 programs and yourself, and then try to execute and see the output, and we can just make some mistake, and then we can just play around with the programming. So we can just remove some loop condition, if conditions, so that we can understand what error I'm getting, why I'm getting this error, so that you can understand the programs. So, and just make your hand dirty, guys. So this is the time we need to utilize to for our bright future. That's it, I would say. Okay, so Ayush, I seen you question. Okay, To answer your question, see, you from EC or CEC stream, it doesn't matter for the companies. Nowadays, they are taking, they are hiring all these, they're not hiring only CSC background students, they're hiring EC and all other, mechanical stream guys as well. Okay, to what kind of question they will ask you? See, the aptitude round would be common for everyone, whether you from CSC background, whether you from EC background. Okay, GD second round will be also same. Okay, predominantly they will ask all this two section like GD and your aptitude. These two rounds are common for every streams, whether you from EC, mechanical, yeah, other thing. Okay, where you can get the, we can see the difference in the third round, like your technical when you go for the technical, technical round questions. So what they will ask you, uh, C is the common programming language which you need to learn. So we can refer to the, Yashwant Kanitkar book. We can refer. He's the good author for C. And there is the other author called Balu. He is the faculty, he is a one of faculty who used to teach us in Hyderabad Satya Technology. So when I was in college and when I was preparing for the interview, so I was just referring his book, and it helped a lot in me, to understand the on a basic concept, basic syntax of programming. If see, I'll tell you guys, everyone, if you don't know C, we cannot learn any other programming. So all of you, please go through with the C basic programming tutorials. We can refer Yashwant Kanitkar book and the Bala Raju book. That is a very good book for you to understand. Okay, so in technical question for EC guys, obviously they will ask C program, and they will ask some basic program like write down a program to find out the even numbers and prime numbers. Write down a program to find the highest max value in the given string and given digits and number. So we can refer all the basic C programs, and we should be in position to answer like what is variable, what is function, how it works, how we can call a function, how we can call a function through it's a value, it's a reference, what is memory. So once you start making your hand dirty while going through the online portal, and nowadays we have guys, we have so many learning portal, we have online learning portal like Udemy is there, so we can go and we can subscribe for the course. Okay, so we can go with the 20-hour 30-hour session, so we can get more clarity and more confident on the practices. Okay, so there is no difference. So in technical round only they will ask you the programs, C programming question, basic program question they will ask, and they will ask your interest. If you from EC background, then why you want to move a software IT field. So nowadays for EC guys, there are like company like Nokia, Ericsson, and Harman, Huawei. So these are the company they known very well, and they are in the market since long time, like 30 or 40 or 50 years. So if you want to try directly those kind of company, that will be boost up your career if you from EC background. But for that also we need to learn any of the technology, and what are the like EC, like if you know all the EC related um, like I can say C programming is must for you guys as well, and your from your syllabus. So what you learn, that will be also very important to learn, and like you need to go into deep dive so that you can able to crack the interview and you can get the job easily. But don't think they will not ask you some technical question like programming, other thing. Definitely they will ask you the C question from C programming. So please, I suggest you go for the C programming language and you can start learning. So yeah, you see, it's always I will always recommend that to go if you done any extra activity during your uh, your tenure period in the college, your engineering. If you've done something extra from your syllabus, definitely you should bring it out in your resume, so that will increase your value in terms of filtering your profile. okay, so that we can able to get the more calls. Okay, so whenever interviewer will see the candidate resume, first they will check they are not going to check for all the three or 2 pages of your resume. They will try to see what extra you have done in your college, apart from your daily syllabus. Like you learn some C, you learn some other technology. Like you mentioned, if you have some coding practices, you have done some symposiums in other college in your college. So we can definitely you should mention that. Yeah. So you should mention that. And see, while mentioning that, we need to mention the duration of the period, right? Okay, whether it was for 1 day or 2 days or 1 week, you need to mention all the details. Okay. See, please don't touch. Okay. So Vishesh, for kind information, and for all of us, our knowledge, internship is very, very important. If you are not doing internship, so you will face lot of difficulty once you get placed in any of the company and you start working. So I'll tell you to I will tell you the advantage. If you go for internship, so we can go for your as per your choice. And suppose if you go for internship, so you are going for develop your project, to which project you want to submit last year in your college. So if you go, your interest in coding, so if you, so let's talk about if your interest in Java and your interest in Python, .NET. So you are independent here, right? You can go and you can enrollment any of the internship companies. They are providing internship, so you can pay them and you can go and you can start learning and developing your project, okay, on your interested technology. That is the first thing. Second thing, if you are not doing internship, okay, by your own, then what knowledge you can get? Then there will problem once you get the job and grab the offer, replaced in company and started working for any particular project. So they see, as a fresher, whenever you join any MNC company, there will be bond for 2 years. Okay, if I talk about Wipro, so they will be also having 2 years bond for all freshers, and they will offer you around 3 lakh and 2.8 to up to 4.2. There will be a CTC. 2 years they will be bond, and they will give you started and giving you train in particular technology. Suppose if you done your internship and done your project in Java, yeah, .NET, and if you go and show them, I done my internship and I submitted my project using Java technology and other programming technology, or whatever you have used. So based on that, they will provide you the training. Okay, and if you're not able, if not in situation to show them what technology you being used to submitted your final project during your college, then they will give you, based on their advantage, based on your benefits, they will started giving you training on other things. So might be you have to work with Excel sheet and other things. I'm not saying working with Excel sheet is not going to helping out. Obviously, if you work something also, you can get something. But what I'm saying, to get good package, to get good, if you want to see yourself in upcoming for after 4 years, 5 years, 3 years in IT industry, so you should definitely go with the internship based on your choice, what technology you want to use in your project. Okay, is that answer? See, Uza, everybody has some hidden talent. So there are, we most of the guys are very, introvert kind of nature we all have. So whatever extra knowledge, extra talent you have, extra activity within yourself, within you, don't hide it, please. Okay, bring it out, explore it. So let's talk about, you have traveling, you have your hobby as a traveling, you want to travel, you want to you have a singing, have hobbies, you have somebody has reading books, developing your own portal, yeah, developing your own websites. You can just say them to interviewer, okay, in polite manner. Yeah, apart from my daily day-to-day education and all these things, I have apart from this, I have these hobbies. I'm very good, I'm interested to singing a song. I like to travel around the world, around the city. Okay, you can just say that. If you have a hobby, as you like to play guitar, don't hesitate. Okay, you don't need to think, okay, if I say I have a hobby to singing a song, They will not think bad. They will be appreciate your extra hidden talent. So bring it out, explore it. Okay. Whatever hobbies you have, and if you think you are good with that, so we need to tell them. Okay. You need to tell to your interviewer. Ana? So any other question?
Sir, there was one more question from Ashutosh. That is, I read it out for you. That is, what changes or steps should we follow to improve communication skills or to impress interviewer?
Yeah. Ashutosh, okay. Good question, Ashutosh, which you asked. Okay, having said that, when I was talking about the second round of interview, second round of that section, when the company comes and recruitment and during your interview process, they will go for the second round. Whoever clear the first round. So to improve your communication skill, as I mentioned, uh, you need to start reading English newspaper. Like we have options like multiple options like we have Economic Times, we have India Times, we have Deccan Chronicle, we have Hindustan Times. So first slowly you can start reading and we can try to understand what news is all about. Okay. Second thing, if you we Monday to Friday everybody is in college, no, in college premises, minimum 6 hours, 7 hours. So whenever you go with your friend for breakfast and lunch, uh, while walking, while roaming inside the campus, try to speak in English with your friends, with your colleagues, most of the time, so that you all guys can get benefited on that, and top of that you can get confident and you can improve your English communication. Apart from that, I would suggest in your spare time you can start watching English web series and Hollywood movies. That will give you more in terms of your pronunciation, in terms of your communication, how we can communicate, because communication is very important thing if you're working in IT. So I would suggest, and I will be happy if everybody works on this and take it a very serious note, so we can just debate instead of talking in Hindi in your with your colleagues, your friends in college. You can try to speak in English so that we can. Don't hesitate. See, we all, since born, nobody learn anything. We land up here, and then based on our based on our requirement and our realization, self realization, we can improve our all the things, like whether it is technical, whether it is communication, whatever you feel we lacking somewhere, so we need to work on that. If somebody not working on that, so they cannot improve. So for to improve anything, we need to do practice, we need to do uh, we need to learn basically. If you open your mind with the learning sense of humor, then we can learn. Okay. So just try to communicate with your friends. Just bring these changes, in within you, and try to speak with your friend and try to convince them. Guys, let's talk in English rather than talking in Hindi, because we gonna to appear for the interview, and we after uh, so that is the now. See, guys, we are in college now. Okay, we are fighting for marks. We are trying to achieve the good marks to just appear and get placed in good companies. Once you place in good company, it will boost your career for long term. Okay, so then we have to learn technology. We have to learn so many things within the company. But to get into the company, it's very difficult. As a fresher level, you need to be very uh, strong from all these areas, whether it is aptitude, whether it is a group discussion, whether it is technical expertise. So in that way, we can improve your English and we can improve your communication. Okay. Okay.
Can
So
I?
I think, yeah,
Hmm,
I'm done with the answer. Okay.
yeah.
No worries. If there will be any other question, I will take it up. Still, we have time. Okay, so guys, thanks for asking the question, and I believe I answer all the question. If you still you guys think the answer is not suitable for you, yeah, uh, still we have some doubt. So Please raise your hand and bring in the chat box so that I can take it up. So I was talking about the technical expertise round. So how we can clear the technical round. So basically they will ask whether you from EC background, mechanical background, yeah, you from EC background, CS background. So all of you need to learn at least one programming language. On that there is a one common programming language which is very important to learn any other programming. So first we need to learn C programming, so we can refer to the H1 Kanetkar book and K Balaraju books. Apart from that, we have several options which you can leverage to learn. We have Udemy, so we can register and we can spend daily 2 hours 3 hours. We can buy a course, see, and then we can get knowledge, and we need to install a Turbo C software application in your personal laptop so that we can start executing the programs, and we can start making your hand touch. Okay. So what interviewer are expecting from us, from the candidate? They will check your basic knowledge. They're not going to ask. They will ask like, from C, like why C is important, how C is different from C plus programming language, you know, who was developed the C, okay, why it is needed, what is variable, what is function, what is hash include. So they will ask this kind of stuff. Like I'm working in Wipro, so on weekend I used to take up the interview for the candidate who's having experience 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years. So we are as a panel, we are taking up interview first L1 round, like first round. So what I observe, guys, and I would request you, if you don't know, no, don't provide the wrong answer. Please don't do that. If you don't see, nobody is here to who has who has who knows all the answer for all the questions. Okay, so if you don't know any of the question, okay, few of the questions, so we can just say I don't thanks for asking the question, and at the moment I don't have I'm not aware of the this question, but I will come up with my answer in the next time. Just say like that, please. Okay. So they will ask you some coding question like programs, and then once you clear the technical round, then they will go for there will be the HR round. Okay. So what are the section I'm talking about and I talked about till now? These are the 1 day activity. Okay. These are the not like 2 days and 1 week activity. So I'm talking about your campus placement. Okay. I'm not talking about off campus. I'm talking about on campus activity. So they will finish all the things within 1 day activity. They don't have much time. Okay. Though, so the same day we have to, if you very fortunate, if very lucky to clear all the rounds, and you enough and you able to, you have the capability and ability to clear all the round, then we will go for the final round, that is called HR round. So in that round, HR will check your attitude. Okay. So I would suggest you, uh, before going for the interview, okay, we just do some R&D about the company which are going, we supposed to attend the interview on the day. So we need to go with the company, where it is located, when it was found, whoever was founded, who is the CEO of the company, what company does kind of business, what kind of customer they are having currently, how many branches, how many employees in terms of total strength globally. You just do some R&D. HR will ask you, do you have a, what do you know about our company? So we can say like that if you have the answer. Okay. Then they will discuss about your hobbies. Then they discuss about your your role and responsibilities, and then they will go with your offer CTC. So CTC, and then they will close your hiring, and then they will release the offer letter. So they will be moving towards your ruling out the offer process and all. So now you're done with the company interview, and you will be having a golden opportunity if you have the good offer. So this is how we can prepare, and this is what we need to do from our end. If you want to get settled, if you want to get placed in good company, you have to only you have to follow one mantra. You have to manage your time. You have to be very proactive. You have to very focused on your goals. See, everybody is here to achieve something in our life. Okay, that's what I'm saying. Try to utilize this time. This is very crucial time for all of us, like all of you engineers. Like after 1 year, 2 year, you become a software engineer, as associate engineer for, and then you started working for the any of the uh, IT company, the IT companies. So get a mindset and get ready yourself and be prepared, guys. Okay. So any other question is anyone is having about any any other company process? So see what are the four section I talked about. So these are the common sections. If you go for the Wipro interview, if you go for L&T, if you go for Infosys, if you go for TCS, if you go for other companies like CGI, if you go for HCL, if you go for Ericsson, if you go for Harman, if you go for Nokia. Apart from that apart from that nowadays, with the respective of your first round like aptitude, if you are a programmer, so they are conducting hacker rank test. So what is hacker rank test? There is the a sponsor portal with the tie up with all the MNC company, so they will give you some programs and they will give you the inbuilt editor. So we have to write, they will give you three programs or two programs, then we have to write the programs. And throughout your session the webcam will be open, active. Okay, we cannot disable, we cannot move another page. So basically we cannot do anything, we cannot get the code from Google and Stack Overflow, code set. Okay, we need to very you need to do more practice on your coding skills. If you want to part of the coding in coding industry and challenges. If you able to, if you ready to take a challenges work, then you can go with the coding. Okay, so please start start preparing and make yourself ready. Keep a promise with yourself, okay, I want to grab the offer. Okay, whatever things, what are the challenges we have, and I have to overcome. So I have to work on that. I have to work on my weakness. Nobody is perfect here, just remember. uh, and just work on your weakness and come up with the as a winner. Okay, and try to get the offer. So after this session I would request everybody, please be focused and be proactive and start learning C programming. Okay, start learning testing. If you want to make your career, if you want to submit internship your project and in testing, then you can go for the automation. There are a lot of tools. You can go with the Selenium, we can go with the nowadays in the market automation in very it's very huge demand. Okay, so nobody is doing now manual testing in every company. Everybody is going to learn shell scripting, Python, data science, and they're going for the uh, automation. So there are the tool like automation tools in the market. You can go and you can like Selenium, test engine. So many tools are available in. There are the open source tool we can download. We can install your personal laptop and you can start executing your test cases. Okay, so these are the technical stuff. I don't want to discuss more on this. So today was the agenda was set by me. It was only for our discussion about how we can, what are the pre-requesting things, what are the strategy we can follow for the before appearing of the any campus interview with any company, any MNC company. So what are the steps we need to be taken, how we can prepare yourself to grab the offer. So guys, anyone now, I'm now this forum is this forum I'm opening for you, all of you. Please ask as much a question I can answer your question. Please ask all your doubt here. We have 10 minutes time. You can ask question, whatever doubt, a question, query we have, you can ask here in the forum. And otherwise you can, you have other option as well. You can ping in the chat box. So I'm keeping myself mute. Please ask your question, okay, and then I'll answer. And one more thing I want to, I was forgot to tell you guys. See, I believe there are there are other guys candidate also who is having not 60% throughout marks in their academy. So for you guys, please register with the AMCAT and litmus exam, not litmus, AMCAT exam. So what benefit will get if you register for the AMCAT examination? So they will having a tie-up with the multiple MNC company like Emphasis, CGI. There are HP, DXC. So there are a lot of lot of IT companies. They were being signed up with their sponsor with them. So once you get a score based on your score in AMCAT examination, you will be getting calls for your interview, and then we can go for all this 3 round at 4 round of interview, and then we have the opportunity to grab the offer. So please register with the AMCAT examination. If you don't know, if some of you hearing first time, then just after this session, please go and do Google what is AMCAT, so that we can get the more knowledge on that. So please register with that. A, a, a person, a candidate who is having not, who has having less than 60% throughout, please go and do it. Okay. So there will be some chargeable exam, and please guys, once you prepare, then we can write down the exam. Okay, it will be online exam, MCAT. So once you prepare and you feel okay, I'm prepared, I'm pretty much prepared and can able to crack the exam, then we can go for the exam and you can book the slots. Okay, unless until you're not prepared, don't waste your time, don't waste your money at it. Please prepare well, okay, and then we can appear for the exam so that you can get the good marks. So basis on your marks, company will call you for interview and they will shortlist your profile. So please do that. Wishes to answer, yeah, wishes to answer your question. See, if you want, suppose if you are not able to attend the HR discussion on the particular day, so there will be no issue. We just need to provide a proper justification, like why we are not able to attend the HR interview today. We can just politely send out a mail to your HR. Okay, today I am facing some issues. I mean some unavoidable situations, so I cannot able to join the HR discussion. So can you please reschedule it on some other day based on your availability. Okay, can do that, no problem. But we need to intimate them. Okay, without intimating, you cannot assume assume yourself. Okay, I see. We all are professional. Okay, so we cannot decide our availability on your basis on your choices, because you are going to work with the IT company. So please, guys, make a note. Discipline and attitudes, the very important for all of us. Okay. So please, due to unavoidable situation, I won't able to what I can say gone through the chat discussion. So we can just send out a no, communication note to your HR. Hi, whatever name. Okay, hi. Due to some no unavoidable situation, I won't appear for this chat discussion yesterday or today, whenever. So kindly, can you please reschedule it on the day you want to? Based on her availability, please. So you need to intimate them. Okay, before see, it's not like a see I'll give you one example. So suppose tomorrow is your HR discussion, okay, and today you are not feeling well, not keeping well, yeah, some other reason, okay, if you feel you don't go, like you cannot attend the HR discussion today, so by today only, the day only, before one day only, we need to send out a mail to your HR. Okay, you can get your you can get the HR mail ID. Easily you can get from your project coordinator, placement coordinator, the faculty coordinator. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So one question come here. I think Mujhe. Wow. So how to prepare for Wipro interview?
Vikram, to answer your question, having said that earlier in this meeting, when I was, started this meeting, this session. Okay, so for Wipro, for SCL, for TCS, for all IT MNC company, okay, most of the companies, these all companies are following the same process, hiring process, okay, whenever they are visiting any of the engineering college in our country. So first, 4 round they will be conducting. Okay, first round will be your aptitude test. So for aptitude, we have to very we should do practice with your 12th and 12th class mathematics and people who are preparing for MAT examination and CAT examination. So we need to refer those author books and those practices. You can find it out on the nets. We keep. There are so many portal. We can, if you search, we can get the idea. Second thing, we have to go for the we can prepare for the GD round, group discussion. So we can start debating. Pick up. You just try to pick one topic and we can start communicating with your friends so that we can get the your vocabulary will be strong, and then we can in position to speak on any of the topic. We can debate. Third round will be technical. So from technical round, they will ask from the C programming questions, like programming question C, how to write. They will ask you write some even odd program. They will ask you how to check the prime number, how to check the even number, odd number. So you can get this program. You can, if you search on Google, you can get the program. Try to write down the program. Try to execute the program in your project, in your laptop. You can install the Turbo C if you want to learn C program. You can install the Turbo C that you can install in Windows 10, Windows 7 and Windows 10. Okay, 3264-bit. That is the compatibility for that to those install those applications software in your system. So that is the process they will ask and they will follow. So we need to prepare for aptitude. We need to prepare for group discussion. We need to practice executing for the program. So we need to learn C programming. That is mandatory to learn. And basic, if you want to, they will not ask you Java question. Okay, they will not ask you .NET question. So what are the programming language you mentioning in your profile, your resume as a fresher level? They will ask for. Let's say you are mentioning Java and .NET as a fresher level. So we should learn basic core Java. Okay, and then .NET we need to learn. But what I suggest you, don't put more more languages, more technology. Okay, they will get confused, and why to make our interview more complicated, right? So put only one language, C programming. Once you get into the company, they will give you the training on particular technology, and then we can work on the project. Is that answer your question? So okay, again, I would like to thank our HOD. Rashmi Yadav we have, and then Navid Jain, Sumit Jain, and then we have Rajesh Chaturvedi. And most importantly, our students, our aspirant, all engineers from. So, guys, please follow your HOD instructions. Please utilize your faculty classes. What are the classes you are attending on day to day on daily basis on through online due to pandemic? Everybody working from home and for students, so we are learning from online, right? Through, so there is only one option we have, online. Virtually we are connecting to each other. So please be proactive, guys, and work on your weakness. Everybody has weakness. Everybody has some strongest area. Nobody is perfect. Be positive. Okay, keep motivate yourself, and don't bring negativity in your mind. Okay, I'm very weak in how I can improve my communication skills, how I can improve my technical skills. We are here to improve. Okay, we are here to learn. Unless until alive in earth, everybody, these are the some ongoing process. We have to learn. If you want to grow, we have to learn. Okay, so please start practicing. Please focus on this 4 area: aptitude, group discussion, technical expertise, HR discussion. Just follow your positive attitude. Okay, and the such manners, like polite manners, you can just follow to get the offer, and try to utilize whenever in your campus, any of the companies are coming for your placement during your placement time, like your 4th year. Please before appearing interview, please keep ready yourself, so that we cannot miss the opportunity, guys, because there will be bunch of students are going to appear, so they will pick up who is best among them and who is fit for them. Okay, so please make differences within yourself, try, work hard, okay, and try to get the offer, and please try to get placed in such good company so that your life will be very very happy. Okay, and always be ready for learning, always be ready for learning, whether you are in college, whether you are in no in a IT company or wherever. Okay, so open your mind with the learning skill set, and please improve your work on your technical expertise, and whatever what are the things I suggested you guys, please follow that, so that no it will make your life easier and healthy. Okay, so uh, and so okay guys, and please provide your feedback to the your HOD, your Sumit, and your uh, all the faculties, and try to utilize it. Okay, I would just before mind of this call, I would suggest to, and I'm very very thankful to all participants who supported me, who beared with me because I was facing some network issue due to rain and all. So somehow we could manage it, and I believe it's a very very fruitful session. It's going to it will be very very grateful and very very fruitful session for all of us. And I'm very very glad to be part of you for this session. They invited me, and I'm happy to serve you guys any kind of help. Please, I'm leaving. I'm in the chat box. I'm giving my providing my mail ID and my contact number. Like so, all the engineers who have any doubt before your interview, anything related to your interview, how to any doubt, just ping me, just call me. Okay, I'll help you guys. Okay, so just I want to say thanks. Okay, thanks to everybody.